The promise of hybrid technology is that it can make vehicles better, more efficient, superior in performance, and more satisfying to drive. But that hybrid halo often is held on by bobby pins and duct tape. In many luxury hybrids, off-the-rack gasoline-electric technology can make for an underwhelming, slower driving experience, even if they sometimes are objectively quicker than their less expensive non-hybrid counterparts. High's vivid powertrain response, great city MPG, even better handling than the standard MDX. Low's infotainment remains an ergonomic disaster. Token third row. Forget about towing. The 2017 Acura MDX Sport Hybrid SHAWD is a rare exception, as it lives up to its potential, at least upon our first exposure. Part of the reason likely is the years of intense development behind its key hybrid components, core items from the NSX supercar, and the forgotten, and forgettable, Rolex Sport Hybrid sedan, have been transplanted into what is the brand's best-selling vehicle. The technology that makes the NSX so ferocious in the corners and so drama-free in general adds confidence, a sharper driving experience, and more miles per gallon to this high-riding, 7-passenger family wagon.